While I ride upon my horse, I see the world in a different way. As if my horse is telling me the truth without fear. From his back the roads look clearer than every word. And I know freedom can only be seen from the height of horses. There are things we do not like to see, yet they are there. And you must be like the horse. Love freedom, be strong, never bow to chains, so you can face what you see with steady eyes and a solid heart. While I ride upon my horse,